Hi, I am Brij Kumar. I am from Gurgaon Academy. I do teach IB physics and maths. So today we are going to do some questions on differential calculus based on trigonometric functions. Suppose if we have to do questions like y equal to sine under root of x. So in this case, how to differentiate it? There is a simple formula. That is, if we write derivative of sine u with respect to x, this is cos of u times du by dx. So dy by dx would be, first we write cos under root of x, that is cos under times derivative of square root of x, that is nothing but x raised to power 1 by 2. So what happens? This goes like this times, we will bring 1 by 2 outside, x reduced power by 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. So it gives you negative minus 1 by 2. So this will be cos of under root x, and now this comes over here, it becomes a square root of x, or we can write directly cos a square root of x over 2 under root x. So this was one question based on it. Suppose if we do another questions like y equal to cos a square 3x. So first of all, for finding derivative of cos x, we must use the formula, that is derivative of cos u. This gives you minus sine u times du by dx. So in this case what we have is cos square 3x. We can write first cos 3x raised to power 2. So whenever we have anything in terms of power, we must utilize the formula, that is dy by dx, that is derivative of u raised to power n. This gives n u n minus 1 times du by dx. That is very important formula to solve any question whenever we find the powers like that. So cos 3x raised to power of 2. So we will be breaking it. 2 is outside, cos 3x reduced to power by 1, so become 1 times derivative of cos u. So derivative of cos u is minus sine u times du by dx. So we will have here minus sine of 3x times again derivative of 3x, like this. So at this point derivative of 3x will be 3, because derivative of x is 1. And 1 times 3 is 3. So this 3 will come this side. So 3 times of 2 will be 6, and minus sign will come outside. So it is minus 6 cos 3x times sine 3x. And that's it. So this is the derivative of cos square 3x using this. However, we can simplify if we like with the help of trigonometry. Suppose if we write like this, minus 3 times, and we can take 2 cos 3x times sine 3x. If we apply the formula of sine 2a, this gives 2 sine a times cos a. So exactly this formula could be written in the form minus 3 times, that is 2 cos 3x times sine 3x, or 2 times sine 3x times cos 3x would be sine of 6x. So minus 3 sine 6x. And we can leave the answer over here. Or simply we can do till this step also. So these two questions we have done based on trigonometric functions. We can do some more questions if we have in the other formats, like maybe product rule, quotient rule, or anything based on that. So suppose if we have a question like fx equal to sine x over cos 2x. So how to go about for finding the derivative of this one? We have to apply the quotient rule. And quotient rule is simply we could be writing here, if we have derivative of u over v, this is v times u dash minus u times v dash over v square. So we are going to use those formula over here. So f dash x would be cos 2x times derivative of sin x would be cos x minus sin, then we make it sin x times derivative of cos 2x. So derivative of cos u is minus sin u, so we will writing here minus sin 2x times derivative of 2x is going to give you 2 divided by cos square 2x. Simply we can simplify in the next step, like we can take it cos x times cos 2x, and this minus minus become plus, and 2 we can take it over here. So 2 times of sin x times sin 2x, and then we can write here as cos square 2x. So this is the derivative of sin x over cos x using quotient rule. Or if we have to find out any question based on trigonometric functions, we have to apply the formula for trigonometric function. Suppose if we take a question like this, y equals sine square root of sine x. So what we can do is we must write first in the power form, sine x power 1 by 2. So whenever we have the power thing, we must come to this formula, this one. So u raised to power n will be n times u raised to power n minus 1 times du by dx. So we could be writing here dy by dx would be, first 1 by 2 will come outside, so it is now sine x. We reduced power by 1, so 1 by 2 minus 1 gives you negative half. So we could be writing times, we could do derivative of this one also here. Derivative of sine x would be cos x. Yes. So now 1 by 2, this will go down and it will be sine x square root times cos x. So we can write in one line, that is cos x over 2 root sine x, like this. So this is the formula we have used, and this way we could be solving the questions based on trigonometric functions in differential calculus. So more or less we must remember the formulas which we are using, and applications of those formulas are very, very important, because even in spite of, we are given the formula booklet, but the problem is we are not able to apply instantly unless we do lots of practice before exam. So all the formulas should be in our mind, and then we must practice the questions based on each and every formulas. And the types of questions could be from the various topics. So we should be thorough with each and every sections thoroughly, and then we could be able to understand the formulas and the questions based on that. In the next time we can do in the next videos certain more questions based on differential calculus. Thank you very much.